So we're down here at the end of Roaring Beach Road at the car park access way through to Hope Road down at South Arm, creating a habitat out of a remnant Eucalyptus viminalis. Unfortunately, over the period of time, the Ukes had a number of failures. They sort of felt that with the number of failures and the public location of it, we had a consulting arborist come through, have a look at the tree. With Tas Tree Care, the risk profile was too high for the city to retain. Sort of discussed whether it would be a suitable option for a habitat tree rather than removing totally, and that's why we're here today, to install those habitat hollows. To lose that out of the landscape would have been really disappointing. So to be able to create those habitats, those hollows for the local fauna is just a real benefit that we see. Something that we'll look to continue to do depending on species and suitability for habitating.
Yeah, we've all finished up here in South Arm at the end of Roaring Beach Road. Pretty big, very sprawly, but we got it down, watched the fence, turned it into a monolith almost, possum guarded it, made multiple habitat hollows, about 5 or 6, varying in size, so loads of different range of birds and wildlife can get in. Quite easy with the Scott in the excavator and Daniel on the ground. And Hunter came later just to help with the hollows, and Marcio on the camera for most importantly.
Been doing a little bit of habitat hollow carving, trying to target a range of species from mammals to birds to bats. Some of them have been like sort of faceplate carving. At the bottom of the tree there's some bigger hollows. I think the possums can have those. And then we've installed a possum guard about a third of the way up to stop the possums taking over some of the hollows that we've carved up higher in the tree. Possums have a tendency to evict other birds and things like that. I've looked for natural features in the tree that a hollow would normally sort of occur in. Old stubs and bits of deadwood. Just looking for those and trying to maybe even like picture myself being a bird and working out where I'd want to live.